Hey y'all, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today is another 5 off of 25. Another 5 off of 25. Let me cut down my music this morning. How y'all doing this morning? I got out a late start. You know, I'm at the Dollar General at the DG this morning. And y'all, had to take care of some business this morning, so that's why I didn't get out until late. But I'm at the DG, the Dollar General, 5 off of 25. Yes, the 5 off of 25 Saturday. So first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know when you're wanting to do these deals, But anyway, yes, I am in my car. I just got in my car. Just finished my 5 off 25. I'm only going to do one because since this week we had other 5 off of 25s that I had already done and I bought to you all. So you can check out that other video if you want to take a look at it. But came to the store late. And when you come to the store late, everything that you was wanting to pick up is gone. Yes. Two of my items was completely gone. Yeah, because when I left this store on, I forgot what day I bought that 5 off 25 to you all, honey, they cleared it out with the Airwick and the Colgate toothbrushes. Yes, this store had a whole lot, but they cleared it out. But you know what, that's how it goes. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was the Scott Comfort. This is $3.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing I had to get was the Colgate. The Colgate Max. It is $4, and there is a $2 off digital coupon if you still have these coupons, because like I said, 5 off of 25 was going on all this week. So I kind of saved some of my digitals on, this is on my daughter's number, my daughter's telephone number. Yes, my daughter. So then I got these Airwick. I got that. They are $6.25. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last two things I got was these Dove Glowing body wash. I got these two. Yes. So the coupon is the Dove body wash. They are, let me tell you, $7.50. There's some people around me, so that's why I'm looking around. $7.50. But there is, you can either get the men's Dove body wash or the women's. So I got these. I got the women. And there is 2 digital coupons. There is a $5 off of 2. There is a buy one, get one 50% off. So they did attach, and everything went great. So my total savings, my subtotal was $8. Yes, $8 for everything that you see. I was trying to get it a little cheaper because I could have gotten it a little cheaper if my things was in stock. But, that's how it goes. So, everybody's taxes is different. So my total savings was $20.75. And then I do have the 5 off of 25 for next week. So next week I probably won't be bringing you a 5 off of 25 because I have some things that is in store. So let me show you my receipt. There we go. There's the receipt. There's everything. Let's take a look. And there's the 5 off of 25. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25 Saturday. So if you would just subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.